Hey guys, Josiah Authier here, productivity architect and co-founder of Santa Barbara AI. Just wanted to bring you a quick productivity tip. I'm not sure if you guys are like me, but I have anywhere between like 100 tabs open, maybe even more. Today is actually a relatively low day. I think I've got like 62, 63. But as you can see here on my screen, if you press Control Shift Escape, it's going to bring this up for you. You just click on Performance here and Memory, and it shows you your RAM. This is what I'm using. This is what is available. When this spikes and it gets close to the limit of what's available, which for me is 16 gigabytes, I definitely need to upgrade my computer. But I'm not ready to do that yet. And it was bumping into this issue where it was basically freezing up. Anything, if I was trying to do multiple things at the same time, it would just freeze up. It wouldn't do anything. So, extremely unproductive for your computer to freeze. So I found a workaround until I get a new machine, maybe a couple months down the line, unless I really need it. But it has been working so far. But let me show you this little bit here. This is OneTab. So as you can see, I've got about 62 tabs open here. Unless I'm actively working on a project, I collapse it into these here. So let's restore all of these. We'll see what happens. This is a project I was working on for a friend of mine, lead generation. As this loads, it might slow things down. Let's see what's happening with the memory. As you can see, boom, it's spiking a little bit. If I were to open all those tabs though, my computer would freeze up. It wouldn't be working anymore. And then as you can see here, if you're in your browser and you press Shift Escape, it'll bring this up. If you click on memory footprint here, this shows you kind of what's eating the most. So right now, obviously, this is what I'm recording this on, Google Vids. This is taking up the majority of the RAM, but right below that is the two tabs that I opened up. So this right here is picture in a picture, so I can see kind of what I'm recording. But let's go back here and I'll show you how I can collapse those. So I'm selected here. I press this extension here, OneTab, and it actually brings these back into all of these here. So these are all the projects I'm working on. And everything is right here. So this is actually a secret writing project I've been working on. More to come about that later, about how AI can help you in your creative pursuits. Um, but yeah, I keep everything's organized here. If I need anything, I can open it up, collapse it. So nothing is lost. And then it also frees up my RAM so I can actually work on my computer. So this is where I keep it. I try to keep it at this baseline. If I'm not actively working on a tab, I collapse it into one tab so that I have my RAM still available. Hopefully that's helpful. Oh, by the way, it's a free extension. So if you're not using it, please do. This has yeah, changed the game for me. My computer can actually work. And it also kind of frees up my space because when I had 100 tabs open, I would, I'm not sure if you guys do the same thing, but you click between tabs, just switching, and it's not productive in the end. So this has helped me immensely. I hope it helps you. I'll catch you in the next one. If you like this, please subscribe and like, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.